Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Such a delightful, charming couple from California came to cook together with me today. We had such fun together. We made ayam lengkuas, mie goreng udang, and mango sticky rice. Thank you so much for coming. Looking forward to cooking together again soon. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home, and we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now, we are ready with the online cooking class. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. Matur suksema!